In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log out of your ClickUp account. Whether you're switching to a different profile, wrapping up your workday on a shared computer, or just keeping your data secure, knowing how to log out properly is quick and important. I'll walk you through the process, explain what you'll see on screen, and share a few practical tips so nothing catches you by surprise. First, open your profile menu. Look to the bottom left corner of your ClickUp workspace. You'll see your profile picture or your initials if you haven't added a photo. Go ahead and click that. If you don't immediately see it, your sidebar might be collapsed or the window may be zoomed in. Try expanding the sidebar or adjusting your zoom so that bottom left area is visible. Once you click your avatar or initials, a menu will pop up with your account and workspace options. Next, find and select Log Out in that drop-down menu. It's typically near the bottom of the list, grouped with other account actions. ClickUp sometimes shows additional options like settings or workspace switching, so make sure you're choosing the logout option specifically. The moment you click it, ClickUp prepares to end your current session in that browser, which is exactly what you want if you're stepping away or changing accounts. Depending on your version or settings, you might be asked to confirm. If a confirmation prompt appears, simply choose Yes or Log Out. This is just a safeguard to ensure you didn't click it by accident. After confirming, you'll be redirected to the ClickUp sign-in page. Any other ClickUp tabs you have open in the same browser will also sign out or show a session expired message until you refresh. A few quick tips as you finish up. If you're on a shared or public computer, logging out is essential, and it's a good idea to close the browser window afterward for added privacy. If you sign in using a provider like Google or a single sign-on service, logging out of ClickUp won't necessarily sign you out of that provider. It only ends your ClickUp session. Also, if you use ClickUp on multiple devices, remember that logging out on one device won't automatically log you out on all others. You'll want to repeat these same steps wherever you're signed in, and that's how you log out of your ClickUp account. Quick and easy. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my channel.